An oil refinery is an industrial facility that processes crude oil into usable products such as gasoline, diesel fuel, jet fuel, heating oil, and other petroleum-based products. The process of refining crude oil involves several steps, which are explained below. Separation. The first step in refining crude oil is to separate it into different components based on their boiling points. This is done through a process called fractional distillation, which involves heating the crude oil and collecting the different components as they evaporate at different temperatures. Conversion. The next step is to convert the separated components into more useful products. This is done through several processes such as cracking, reforming, and isomerization, which involve breaking down larger molecules into smaller ones or rearranging their molecular structure. Treatment. Once the components have been converted into more useful products, they are treated to remove impurities such as sulfur and nitrogen compounds. This is done through processes such as hydrotreating and hydrocracking, which use hydrogen gas to react with the impurities and convert them into more stable compounds. Blending. The final step in the refining process is blending the different products to create specific grades of gasoline, diesel, and other petroleum-based products. The blending process involves mixing different components in specific proportions to meet the required specifications for each product. In addition to these main steps, there are several other processes involved in the refining process such as desalting, which removes salts and other impurities from the crude oil, and sulfur recovery, which recovers sulfur from the treated products for further use. Overall, oil refining is a complex and energy-intensive process that requires specialized equipment and skilled operators. The products produced by refineries are essential for transportation, heating, and other industries, making refineries a critical component of the global economy.